So this video is going to show us how to format numbers in Excel. So I'm going to open my Excel worksheet, and you can see here I've got a total column, and if I want to display this with no decimal places, I'm highlighting the numbers. I'm going to number. So this is on the home tab. I'm going to number. I'm ignoring all the shortcuts. Go into the number launch button, and here then we get all the options that are available to us. So under currency I can set the number of decimal places to 0. I can set the symbol, and I'm going to click OK. I have quantity here. Yep, these should be whole numbers. So again I'm going to number, and 0. And my price here, this should be currency with 2 decimal places, so I'm going to highlight it, number, currency, 2 decimal places, and OK. And there is another option. You see, if I highlight this and I go back into number, there is the thousand separator. I forgot to show you that. So if I click on that, it just gives me the little thousand, comma, the thousands. Okay, so I'm encouraging you, when you want to format your numbers, stay away from the shortcuts, go to number, the number launcher button, and you'll get all the settings we need in here. Okay, I also want to draw your attention to C17. I put a date in here, but yet when I put in the date it came out as, what's that, 40,528. So that cell has to be formatted to be a date. So date, I'm accepting the default, which is short date, and I'll say OK. So I'm drawing your attention to this because sometimes it does this. Like if I put in the date 16th of the 5th, 21, and I click out of it, and I see it's come up as 44,332, and I see students, the whole time struggling with this, and they say, okay, well, I'm sure I put a date in, and they type it in again, and I've typed it in the date format, but when I press return, it's reverting back to a number. So this is to reassure you that if a number doesn't appear in the format that you're expecting, you have to format it. So I'm going up here to number, and I'm going to date, and I'm accepting the short date, and I'll say OK.